Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ford F-250 4x4 system. We'll cover the basics of engaging and disengaging four-wheel drive, ensuring you get the most out of your truck. Knowing when and how to use each mode is crucial for both performance and longevity. Let's dive into the different settings and their ideal applications for your heavy-duty truck. 4 High is your go-to for conditions requiring extra grip without needing extreme power. Think light snow, muddy trails, or loose gravel. You can typically shift into 4 High while moving, often up to 55 miles per hour, making it convenient for changing road conditions. It distributes power to all four wheels, enhancing stability and control. When the going gets tough, 4 Low is your best friend. This mode is designed for very challenging terrain, like deep mud, steep hills, or pulling heavy loads at low speeds. Remember to stop your truck completely and shift into neutral before engaging 4 Low. This ensures the gears mesh properly, giving you maximum torque and precise control. To keep your F-250's 4x4 system in top shape, a few best practices are key. Always check your tire pressure, as uneven pressure can affect performance. Engaging four-wheel drive for about 10 miles each month helps lubricate the system. And for detailed maintenance, your owner's manual is an invaluable resource.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.